Yeah. Oh, you fucker. That landed right on the edge of that jump. Oh, and she lives. Oh. Oh. Don't know where she just went then. Oh, she's upside down. Still holding strong. Oh, beaut. Oh. Guys, as you can tell, it is absolutely freezing out here. Yeah, that don't know look right. Oh, that was a dodgy landing and a half. One of my front wheels are towed in. Ah, yeah, I see why. But as you will notice though, guys, look, the CNC arms that I've started to make are what I'm running. Fronts and backs and uppers. I'll give you an overview a bit later, but I'm going to keep running it until it dies because I want to see how strong they are. So let's go. I ain't talking that much because I'm absolutely freezing. In the car it says -3. Real feel it's about -8, something like that. It's freaking freezing. Oh, that's all we see, motherfucker. Alright guys, I am down at the playground. It is covered in snow and it's absolutely freezing cold. Like I said, -3 in the car. Real feel's probably about -6, -7. Absolutely Baltic. But I brought the coffee cart down here. I thought I'd try and run my new arms, my new CNC ones I made, and obviously with it being stupidly cold, it would be a good test for them to see if they hold up. But these are only the first ones that we've machined. Obviously there's need to be tweaks made to them for the geometry and the precisions, so that will be coming, but these are the first ones. So I'll show you now and I'll show you what's happened. Like I said, I am down at the playground and it's absolutely freezing cold. There was 2 lads down there a minute ago, but they've now buggered off because my batteries are now died. So this is the coffee cart. As you can see, I am running my new machined arms, front and back, but I did have a breakage, as you can see. So no wonder my wheels were facing inwards. My top arm has broken. But to be fair, if you can see just in there, there's not a massive amount of material. There is still some room there where I can put more, so I'm going to make them even thicker. But they are 12mm thick, whereas the arms are actually 14mm thick. You might be able to see the difference from there slightly, but they're not quite sitting just right. Oh, you can't even see it on that one, but on this one the rear hub is sitting further back than it should do. These two should almost be on top of each other. If you look on a standard EXP, they are a bit closer, because if you turn the wheel, you see the steering angle, it like the wheel almost bends over backwards. So that arm is fine where it is. That arm needs to go back a little bit just to try and stand that up. Gives it a proper turning angle then, because at the moment it's not turning very well because of the geometries of the arms. But like I said, with it being freezing cold, let me just flip her over. Now you can get a proper look at them. So they're the fronts, they're the rears. The lowers and the rears I've held up absolutely perfect, but obviously the front upper arms, they are a bit thinner, but everything fits up beaut. Suspension, rear hubs, like I say, then you got the front hubs in there. That white line there, that was my fault when I drilled it out, because these the holes here and for the pins, they're not been machined yet, they are just drilled by me and tapped. So they was not 100% perfect, but I thought I'd run it anyway. But when they do get made properly, they will be machined to perfection, because this is why I'm doing this. Testing them out, tweaking them, testing them out, tweaking them, so they are 100% spot on. But my 2 Arrma batteries have just died on me, so today it's game over for me. It's not a bad thing because it's freezing cold, but just to give you a bit of an overview of what I have and haven't done, I have put that on there for now just to protect my rear shock tower, because my wing fell off and I'm not keep fixing it and fixing it. Eventually I will make something for it, but at the moment I'm not. I'm more concerned about my arms. Obviously my rear bumper, my front bumper, that's is what it is. They need new ones. So I'm still running my Max 6 combo 1650 kV motor, which is a bit loose. I didn't know that. No wonder it didn't sound very good. My nuts have come off. Well, not come off, they've come loose. But you see, could do it being bolted down again and all. But I'm still running my own homemade brace. I am planning on making one for the front. I am planning on making my own hinge pins as well, because these, they're not great. They're just them cheapy aluminiums. But there are still some plastic ones on there as well. Like the rear back, that's plastic. The rear front, that's plastic. The front is aluminium, and the rear on there is aluminium. But apart from that, guys, she's still as she is. Still need a new body because that one's trashed. But this is just a first test of these CNC arms, so we shall go back, readjust, and then we'll be back again. It won't be before Christmas because we are too busy, and I've only got a day or 2 left and I'm done for Christmas, thank God. But while I'm here, I want to give a big shout out to Bars and Tones. He's not very well. He's going into hospital for an operation. Bless his heart, he has 2 lumps found which are cancerous, so he's going to get them removed, hopefully with surgery, and then from what he said in his video, get a couple of shots of radiation, so hopefully it kills everything off, and he shall be back fighting fit. So Bars, I wish you well, hope everything goes okay and you pull through the other side. But cancer is a horrible, horrible disease. I know it from having it in my family, but you just got to try and go with it, keep your fingers crossed and hope for the best. But guys, from me and the playground, the coffee cart, which is broken unfortunately, but never mind, I'm out. Take care, stay safe, have a merry Christmas and a happy new year, and I'll see you on the flip side.